Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make bone broth for dogs in an instant pot. This nutritious addition to your dog's diet offers many health benefits, supporting their overall well-being. It's a simple way to provide essential nutrients that contribute to a healthy immune system, improved digestion, and strong joints. Your furry friend will love this homemade treat, and you'll love knowing you're giving them something truly beneficial. To start, gather your ingredients. You'll need about 2 pounds of raw bones, such as beef marrow bones or knuckle bones, which are excellent for collagen. Next, add about 1/4 cup of apple cider vinegar. This crucial ingredient helps draw out minerals from the bones. You can also include dog-safe vegetables like carrots or celery for added nutrients and flavor, but avoid onions or garlic as they are toxic to dogs. Now, let's get cooking. Place your chosen bones and vegetables into the instant pot. Pour in enough water to completely cover the bones, ensuring you leave at least 1 inch of space below the maximum fill line. Add the apple cider vinegar. Seal the lid and set your instant pot to cook on high pressure for 2 to 4 hours. This pressure cooking method significantly reduces the time compared to stovetop simmering. Once cooking is complete, allow the instant pot to naturally release pressure. Carefully strain the cooled broth through a fine mesh sieve to remove all bones and solids. Then, refrigerate the broth overnight. This allows any fat to solidify on top, which you can easily scrape off and discard before serving. Store the broth in airtight containers in the fridge for up to 5 days, or freeze it in ice cube trays for up to 1 year. Remember to check the description below for a link to these fantastic leak-proof containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.